Hi, my name is Anand Kandi, and my registration number is UR15CS141, and this is my third experiment in database lab. And my experiment is on aggregate and built-in functions. So there are many types of aggregate functions such as sum, mean, max, average, in order to find everything. So in my experiment, I have been given some tables. So these four tables, and I have created it. And after that, some questions are there. Uh, there are 21 questions are there. So here I have done every questions in SQL, and here I have after doing in SQL I have copied in this file. So first question is to list the total loan amount taken by the borrowers. So here I have done it in SQL. So here is so select sum. So sum is used in order to add everything. So add as a total. So this as is used to give an alias name. So it will give a new column name. So here a new column name came and the borrower 141. Similarly, I've done some for the other questions. For total taken as under it branch everything I've done where p name equal to under I've given. So similarly everything I've given. So here the question is query to find the total deposit of the customer having account date later than means after 1 January 1996. So here I have done is later. So here I have given the sum amount as this one deposit 141 where a date greater than 1 Jan 1996. So I have given 96. So here the amount is 96. So here in SQL also I have given the same. I came and so here I have given my name. So in this question, next questions, the total deposit of the customer living in city Nagpur. So here I have given taken from the two different tables. From first from the deposit table and another from branch table. So from deposit table I have taken the city deposit. Uh, I have taken the sum of the deposits, and from the branch table I have taken the city Nagpur. So similarly I have done it. Next for customer living in Mumbai. So here where where city equal to. So this is the syntax. This is let's do select max amount from deposit was city equal to Bombay. So the customer who is living in Bombay will be showed there. So the next is find the total number of branch cities. So select cities we can branch it by giving the count function. So count is another type of aggregate function. So here we can give count function. So after that, so find the total number of customer cities. So here I have given again count. So it will show the total number of cities, customers living in the cities. And then the question is query branch name and branch wise deposits. So in order to show that, I've taken displayed two columns, amount and payment. So we have the amount and the payment. Primarily deposit of customer amount payment where dates greater than. So as the question is given after the account date 1 January 96. So here I have given where condition a date greater than 1 Jan 1996. So order by name. So in order by the name, so A will come first, then the letter then the name starting with M. So again count C name. So in order to count the total count, and again the same for counting the total. So I'm using the count here. So maximum loan. So in order to find the maximum, we have to give max function. So max and the attribute name, and I'm giving a new attribute by assigning S and where p name equal to the S. So it's giving here in maximum. Then amount and email. So it's going to list the bank sum always more than. So if here only one person is there which more salary is more than 4,000, so it's 5,000, and that person is AGMI. Bank name is AGMI. So in order to calculate the length of the string DBMS, we can give length DBMS from dual. So dual is an inbuilt table from in the database in SQL you can say. So in order to upper function is used to show every names in uppercase. So here we are taking this attribute CNAME. So the data which are present in CNAME will be shown in uppercase. Similarly, substring CNAME. So substring CNAME 3, 3. So it will show Sunil's name. So here 1, 2, 3. So it starts from 3 and it will take 3 more numbers. So NIL. So it will print NIL. So here it's printed NIL. So in SQL also have done the same. So here now we can see in order to push this F number column to 0, 0. So here I have concatenated 0, 0 in front of F number. So here array 0, 0 will be shown here. And next the question is asked sort the deposit table based on F number. So in order to sort the table we have to give order by function. So order by in the condition. So order by F number. So the start is that. And next it's a deposit. Here add months function to add 3 months. So here we are using add month function. So add months is date 1 from deposit 1 41. So here every date shall be added 1 month as you can do it. Next round for round and truncate we are using this command, that is round 1 15.6. So it should be round as 16 as it becomes 16, and for truncate it will be 15. And from the both are taken from 12 because it's the inbuilt table from the SQL. So these are the use of aggregate functions and built-in functions in SQL for database. Thank you.